Dry Sunday, Monday, another round of rain Tuesday, and we're looking wet again, looking toward Thursday night, Thanksgiving night, heading into Friday. So I want to give you more of a national view of what to expect here, because I know so many of us will be traveling. First off, let's pause Tuesday. You can see rain in our area, but it also stretches along much of 95 along the eastern seaboard. Meanwhile, we're watching some snow moving out toward the Rockies, and eventually some of that energy feeding in toward the Midwest with a rain-snow mix maker. Well, that storm system is the one that we're watching for the East Coast and here into southern New England too as we move toward Thursday evening. So Thanksgiving evening, wet weather starting to track along 95 with some snow mixing in for the mountains, likely leading to some wet weather right on into Friday, possibly lingering into the Saturday after Thanksgiving. Let's get through the first round here that we're tracking as we have widespread rainfall in place, and it's a steady one at that. This really kicked in after midnight last night and into this morning, where we're seeing many spots checking in with our 24-hour rainfall totals over half an inch. You can see Boston nearing an inch at this point. So the heaviest and steadiest rainfall is now focused over eastern Massachusetts through Metro West, moving into Boston right along the North Shore. We have some steady heavy showers from Plymouth, where of course preparations are underway for the Thanksgiving parade, and you could see some heavier rainfall down toward the South Coast, Cape and Islands. I would plan on the steady wet rainfall through at least 8 o'clock this morning. Thereafter, the rain starts to dwindle and pivot south of the Pike. So if you're south of the Pike, your wet weather lingers a little longer. You can see from Boston Northwest, we're drying out by late morning. We're still wet into Plymouth and heading down toward Cape Cod. The showers will continue to shift southward. I would still plan on a few drops though into Plymouth if you are heading out to the parade before things completely dry out by later this afternoon. And eventually we start to clear out heading into our Sunday morning. We are sitting with showers on the radar here in Boston, so it's a wet start with a wind chill factor of 38. The wind is picking up slightly this morning as we sit up in the upper 30s to mid 40s, but with temperatures holding steady in the mid 40s today and the wind kicking into high gear this afternoon. Take a look at this. We're seeing wind gusts nearing 40 miles per hour this afternoon, so it'll likely feel cooler this afternoon than it does this morning as the rain comes to an end and we travel through the afternoon hours. We clear out tonight, so that will allow for some sun into your Sunday forecast. Wet weather back into the forecast for Tuesday, and then again we're watching for Thursday night into Friday. There is that chance for some mixing with snow, more likely moving out toward the mountains. For Storm Team 5, I'm meteorologist Colleen.
Hi, good morning and happy Saturday to you. We're starting off with wet weather. It's been a while, right? With a soaking rainfall in place, I would say plan on it being a wet start to the Thanksgiving parade in Plymouth. We will see showers end this afternoon, but then the wind kicks in. 40s this afternoon will feel like the 30s, and it's a windy outlook for our Sunday too.